Hello friends, my name is Ankit Sahu and I welcome you all in my YouTube channel. So friends, we are starting a new online batch on 17th of January, that is Monday. This particular batch will be completely in English language. We were getting so many queries to conduct a batch in English language, so we will be doing that. So if you're interested, you can do your registration. We have very limited seats, so you can register yourself. Our details are mentioned on our website. You can contact our team on the given below WhatsApp numbers. You can call WhatsApp and get all the details. Syllabus is also mentioned on the website. So just if you're interested, you can join that particular batch. So again, I am reminding you, this is the particular batch we are doing in English. We normally do all the batches in Hindi. So this will be a great opportunity for the people who are looking for English batch. So you can join it. So just to summarize the syllabus, we will be covering export, import and e-commerce export in this particular batch. These syllabus will be same, and you will learn how to export eBay, Etsy, Amazon orders. We will be covering Amazon.com, the US portal, and eBay.com. Complete particular portal will be covered in this training. How to do registration, how to do product listing, how to ship FBA shipment from India to US FBA, and Amazon advertisement. Plus we will be covering bulk export. So if you get a bulk order from any of the country like Singapore, Sri Lanka, any country, so how will you export that particular order? Through ocean, through airway. So all the documentation will be covered in this particular training. Plus we will be covering import, so you can learn to import from Alibaba. You can select the products. The process of import is same, so either you import from Alibaba or any other portal or any other country like Thailand, Vietnam. The process and the government documentation is all same. Just we cover Alibaba because it provide a payment protection to its buyers. So that is the reason we cover through Alibaba. So additionally, Alibaba portal will be covered in this particular training. So all the government documentation like for export and import like FIRC, BRC, bill of entry, shipping bill, how to prepare an export invoice, packing list, ship a letter of instruction. So all this document will be covered. So I will be showing how to make all this document in an Excel format. I will share my screen and I will give training of all this documentation, so you can accordingly prepare all this documentation for your export order. Along with that, we will be providing all the sample documentation. So all the sample documentation training PPT will be shared with the participants. So we are also running an export import company and we provide all the original documentation which you can refer for your export import business. So okay friends, you can register yourselves. Just remember, seats are limited, so you can register yourself and join the training. And if you still not subscribe to our channel, you can subscribe it. If you like our videos, you can like that particular video. And okay, bye bye.